Hi. So I'm pulling up the information so that I can tell you guys the right stuff. I'm getting there, I promise. So we're doing Saturday night Scentsy in the afternoon because I'm going to be gone this evening. We have a party to go to, so I'm not going to be home. And I wanted to make sure that I got it in. For a little bit, I was like, I'll just do it tomorrow. And I was like, no, I got to do it today. So I just wanted to make sure we got it done. Let's see. All right, so what we're going to talk about today is all-purpose cleaner because I think it's one of those items that's kind of forgotten about because counter clean is so awesome. And it's just easier, I think, because you don't have to mix it. So I wanted to kind of talk about it so that we all know what it is, because we do have that special that is going on Monday where if you purchase 2 of them, you get the mixing bottle for free. So all-purpose cleaner is 24 ounces. It's big. It's a big one, and it's super duper ultra concentrated. Now there are sciencey facts behind it, but Lord knows I don't know what those are. What you're supposed to do is you mix it 3 parts water to 1 part cleaner. Well, I have absolutely no idea what that means. Like, to me, that's like a foreign language, I think. So if you're going to do like 1 cup of, I want to make 1 cup of it, you would do 3/4 water, 1/4 of the cleaner. But I don't know. That's where I always mess up, is I'm terrible at that. That makes absolutely 0 sense to me. But yeah, it's 4. So 3 parts and 1 part cleaner. A lot of people use this in replace of counter clean. It's very, very similar in that aspect that you could clean your counters and things like that. Now I have had people and other consultants kicking something. I have had other consultants tell me that they use counter clean on non-shiny surfaces, and then they use the all-purpose on shiny surfaces because they said that to them, counter clean did not shine it. It kind of left it streaky. Everybody is different. I think a lot of it has to do with what you use, like the cloth that you use to clean it, as far as if you leave streaks or you don't leave streaks, but I don't know. A lot of people also use this for mopping and steam cleaners. Now, I don't say like you gotta read your instructions. I don't have the instructions, but a lot of people use these in their what is that, crossweave, whatever it is from Bissell. A lot of people are using that in there. Like I said, steam cleaners, steam mops, carpet shampooers. I know somebody who uses it like as a car cleaner, like outside, like just clean your car. I don't know if, like, again, I'm not saying you 100% can. I guess the legal disclaimer is like tested on a small spot. I don't know, but I'm just saying. 1 bottle of this makes 6 16-ounce bottles. I had to make sure I said it right. 6 16-ounce bottles. So this lasts for a really long time. It is quite a bit more expensive than counter clean, but again, you can make a lot with it, because 1 bottle of counter clean, I gotta look because we have a lot of stuff I can't remember. 1 bottle of counter clean is $9. So if this makes 6 of the same size, this is a savings. Now, also with you being able to make your ratios however you want, you can make it stronger or you can make it less strong, if that makes sense. You know, if you don't want it nearly as strong as the 3-to-1, you could always make it a lot. That's where I mess up, is because I'm just like, and let's see what happens. And I usually have a tendency, I think, to make it too strong. And I found that if it's too strong, it's sticky. That's just me. It could be my counters. I don't know. I do use this in my steam mop. So, and I do like a cap full, because again, I suck at measuring. So I'm like, I fill the whole thing up, and then a cap full of it. I might not be doing anything at all, being that I don't use a lot in it, but it is a really, really good product, because of the fact it is actually saving you money. Because, okay, so counter clean, I can't do math. Counter clean is 16 ounces, and this makes 6 16 ounces, and it's the same price as 2 bottles of counter clean. So this normal price is the same price as 2 bottles of counter clean, but if you purchase this, things are moving around behind me, but this makes 6, so this could make 6 bottles of counter clean. The sale on Monday is if you purchase 2 bottles of the all-purpose, you get a mixing bottle for free. And on the mixing bottle, it's a spray bottle. It has a little line at the bottom that like you're supposed for the correct amounts. So you pour your counter clean into the little line, and then the rest water, shake it, and then you're ready to go. It's reusable, and you can mix and match the scents of all-purpose. We have, what do we have? Aloe water, Blue Grotto, Johnny Appleseed, Lemon Verbena, Squeeze the Day, and Sunkissed Citrus. So you can mix and match and do whatever you want. You could probably even mix and match the scents in the bottle, like the mixer bottle, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, until you get to the line, and make your own combo too. So they are 10% off, and that deal will be 10% off. So right now they're on sale for $16.20 for one of these. You'll purchase 2, you'll get the mixing bottle for free. It is while supplies last. Sadly, I wish we had the mixing bottle. We as consultants wished we had them to purchase so that we could give them to you guys or whatever, but we don't. So again, this is priced, if we're taking out the 10%, because I don't do math, if we're taking out the 10%, this is priced the same as 2 bottles of Counter Clean, but there's enough in here to make 6 bottles of Counter Clean. You can use it anywhere: floors, counters, stovetops, fridge, bathrooms, floors. Somebody uses it as spot cleaner, another consultant, because once they said that we're going to have that sale, consultants are like, all right, tell me all the places that you use your Counter Clean for so I can share them. And the one says she sticks it in a spray bottle and uses it to spot clean her floor. You know, there's a little spot, I don't want to pull out the whole mop, and she uses that, and I really, really liked that idea. It also has that sciencey stuff in it where it makes the barrier on it, just like Counter Clean does, so that it makes cleaning easier for future cleaning. Does that make sense? I think so. But there is like a whole science behind it as far as how it is different from Counter Clean, something to do with like pH in it, but I don't remember, because I'm not a scientist. I think that's it. Dirt, grease, grime. That was another thing. Is somebody said that this cuts like grease better than Counter Clean. Think like your stove hood, or if you have a really, really bad stove, like this cuts the grime better because you can make it stronger. So think like Counter Clean is great. It's great on its own, but sometimes you're just like, oh, I need a little extra oomph. That's what you would use this for, is that little bit of extra oomph. Think of it like sometimes you use Windex or Mr. Clean or something like that, but sometimes you need a little bit extra. That's where that would be. I think that's it. I know it's not super exciting. It's a cleaner. Nobody likes to clean, but I'm going to tell you, I am going to get the mixing bottles on Monday because I really want to use this for spot cleaning our floor. We have tile floor in the kitchen in my office, and then like the back door is over here, and it has a tendency to just get muddy footprints. So I am definitely going to get some more of this for spot cleaning. I liked that. So that's about it. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please ask. I know a lot of people use Counter Clean, so this gets looked over quite often because Counter Clean is awesome, and they're like, I don't need anything else. So think of this as that little bit of extra oomph, a little bit stronger than Counter Clean, and I think you'll be set. If you need on the list for Monday, let me know, and we will go over there. I'm gonna go make bacon wrapped smokies, which are yummy, but they take forever. So I am going to go work on that.